Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 10, Neighboring Countries of India, in which we will learn about these neighboring countries: Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. India has a land frontier of 15,200 kilometers. The total length of the coastline of the mainland, Lakshadweep Islands and Andaman and Nicobar Islands is 7,516.6 km. Its immediate neighboring countries are Afghanistan and Pakistan to the northwest, China, Bhutan and Nepal to the north, Myanmar to the far east, Bangladesh to the east and Sri Lanka to the southeast. Now we will discuss about first neighboring countries, that is Pakistan. First you will see the flag of Pakistan. This is the flag of Pakistan. Now here you see the political map of Pakistan. Now I will explain about this map. Pakistan is a country in southern Asia. It has borders with India, Iran, Afghanistan and China. It is officially called the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. It has a long coastline along the Arabian Sea in the south, and Pakistan has the fifth largest population in the world. Pakistan has a total land area of 880,940 kilometer square, and this makes Pakistan the 34th largest country in the world. Pakistan has the 7th largest army in the world. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Before 1960, it was Karachi, which is now the country's largest city. And the name Pakistan means land of the pure in Persian and Urdu. I hope student you have understood about Pakistan. Now our next neighboring country is Afghanistan. First you see the flag of Afghanistan. This is the flag of Afghanistan. Now here is the political map of Afghanistan. By this you will understand about this country. Afghanistan, officially called Islamic Republic of Afghanistan, is a country located in Central Asia and South Asia. It has borders with Pakistan in the south and east, Iran in the west, and Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan and Tajikistan in the north, and China in the far northeast. In early times, people passed through it with animals and other goods, as it connected China and India with Central Asia and the Middle East. More recently, Afghanistan has been damaged by many years of war and there not being enough jobs. The country is around 251,826 square miles in size or area, and there are 30 million people in Afghanistan. There are about 3 million Afghan refugees who are in the Pakistan and Iran for some time, and Kabul, its capital, had about 3,691,400 people living in it in 2011. I hope student you understood about the country Afghanistan. Now our next neighboring country is China. Now students, first you see the flag of China. Here it is, the picture of the flag of China. Now with the help of this political map of China, you will understand about this country. China is situated in East Asia, whose vast landscape encompasses grasslands, deserts, mountains, lakes, rivers, and more than 14,000 kilometers of coastline. It is the most populous nation in the world. And capital Beijing. Beijing is the capital of China. Mixes modern architecture with historic sites such as the Forbidden City Palace Complex and Tiananmen Square. Shanghai is a skyscraper-studded global financial center, and the iconic Great Wall of China runs east-west across the country's north. This is about China. And now comes our next neighboring country, that is Bhutan. Now first you see the flag of Bhutan, and with the help of this political map of Bhutan, you will see how the country is. Bhutan, officially called Kingdom of Bhutan, is a small country in the Himalayan mountains of South Asia. It is ruled by King Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuk, who has been king since 2006. And Bhutan was founded in 1644 by Shabdrung Ngawang Namgyel. And the Bhutanese people are proud. They have always been an independent country. And Bhutan's capital city is Thimphu. And the official language is Dzongkha. So this is about Bhutan. And for today, up to here only, you read the chapter up to here, then you will understand it properly. In my next class, I will discuss about the left neighboring countries. Thank you.